tack back.
Down? You mean ready about?
Ready about. Coming about. Captain Gusty.
Well, I do my best to provide Captain Fat Ham with good sailing.
Well, this is a good sailing experience. This is a fantastic sailing experience. No, step. Take the helm.
That was not released.
No, it was hung on the step. That's an issue. We're all better now, though. All better. Evening sunset cruises are the best.
Yes, really beautiful.
And we're just flying along here.
Downwind.
Still doing the pirate ship thing.
Heading out on the Pier 4 side of the very shallow.
We've got Crystal Breeze in front of us up there. Heading out too.
Yep.
Crystal Breeze going for a sail. Last Frontier is going for a sail.
All the sailboats head out on the windy days.
It'll be 21 knot gust today. We'll see how that goes. Tow hanging out, getting ready to go through Barkley Lock. There's Crystal Breeze in front of us. The Sail On already went out earlier. Gonna be a lot of people out today. A lot of people out.
That's right. The wind brings us all out.
We're gonna have an eclipse soon. I don't think we'll be able to capture any of that
Judging
on
from the
a
sky,
GoPro, but
hard to tell with all
it will
these
get dark.
clouds.
We'll show you that it gets dark.
There you go.
A very ominous fall sky. What do you think about it?
Groovy.
Groovy.
I had to put on sunglasses because it's windy and my eyes water. Or wind glasses.
Wind glasses. Captain Gusty is rigging the mainsail. sailing, engines off.
Get this halyard put away. Wow, the eclipse is really dramatic.
Can't tell it at all yet.
Nope.
Well,
Between now and noon, it should get dark.
All right. Well, keep watching. I guess we have no choice because we're out here.
That's right. That's okay. Probably the first time we've ever run our nav lights during the day. Unless it, well, I don't want to summon it. Unless it was...
Well, let's just leave it there for right now. See how that does. Everything dumps out of the cabinets.
That's right.
We're cooking.
Yeah. I'd be curious to look at tomorrow's forecast to see which way it's going to keep getting back. It might be great or it might not.
Yeah, it depends on if we want to go to the festival.
Yeah, I'd kind of like to.
Yeah, let's come in on the first reef. Along with Jenny is reefed, but not much. I think that first reef isn't much of a reef, is it?
Well, the sail is so big when it's fully deployed. It's you know, nice and when there's low wind, but it's the visibility. It's hard to get it really flat. So yeah, it's almost too much on good wind days.
But that seems to work well in this condition to have a full main and a reefed.
Yeah, it
Jenny.
feels very balanced.
So I guess people that just have a regular, like 100%, wouldn't need to do any
Yeah.
of this. It's funny that we're having this great spot to view the eclipse and it's cloudy.
Completely cloudy.
Completely cloudy. Beautiful day though.
That it is. There he goes.
I was right. I told you.
Your mind reading skills are...
I was reading his mind
That's right.
correctly.
Your mind reading. He went, oh crud, they're on a starboard tack. Fine, I'll tack. Here?
Yeah, a little wing on wing to get us out of this little shoal area.
Yeah.
Head back over toward the shore over there. And then we'll do something else.
That sounds good. Yeah, we're up to 20 feet, so I think we can go whenever we want to. Head back south. Yeah, we need to get past that.
Might as well head a little more that way.
To south, okay.
A little more this way.
Oh, that way, okay. Oh, you mean closer to shore before we head south, gotcha.
5 knots is good.
Take it.
Nice little beam reach.
Yeah.
Not having to work too hard.
Yeah, we don't usually have the ability to go south this easy. I mean, unless we're downwind, which is a northerly wind doesn't prevent either. So really nice.
Yet they had the regatta from a few weeks ago today.
Yeah, that's right, where they went so far south.
Yeah, where they were trying to get down to Duncan Bay.
Yeah.
They could do that today.
Yep. You can plan the regatta, but you can't plan the weather.
That is true. All right, ready about?
Sorry, can't see. Gotta take the hood down. Finally ready.
Coming about. Nice.
Yeah, these wet lines. Harder to handle.
They make funny noises when you release them.
They get all creepy. You see the nun there?
Yes. I'm going to let the 9 pass on our port side.
Are you happy with the head sail, or you wanted it?
I think I'm happy with it for now, for this particular tack.
Whew.
It is getting darker, so the eclipse is coming, I guess.
Yeah? Yeah, it's only forecast for cloudy today, and there's no rain, so yeah, the darkness we see isn't just the clouds.
That's good. Thank you, Captain Gusty.
You are welcome. Yeah, I have to get a headband. Too much here in my visual field. I think that hunter that was booking is going back in.
Yeah, he took his seat. He packed in the sails and he's heading back.
Wore out his crew. Good day.
I think that's the one that has, I don't remember, is that a Florida flag or something like that on it? Florida State?
Yeah, I see a flag. I don't know. Yeah. Do you want them in more, or are you happy with that?
Sheet me in a little more on the head sail.
Yeah.
And probably the main too.
Main's a little silly, but I didn't know what you want.
Puff got us moving.
I bet. Felt like it.
Still getting darker.
Yep, yep.
I don't know how dark it will get with this eclipse since it's not completely covering the sun.
Yeah, it sounds like this is about it because it's 11:57 and I think at 12:03 is maximum, so it's about as dark as it's gonna get. Yeah.
At the peak of the eclipse, technically.
Yep.
Still pretty bright though.
Yeah.
I mean, it has that kind of stormy look even though it's not stormy.
Yeah, exactly.
That nice gust helped us go more north. That was
that's nice.
handy.
We like convenient gusts.
Yeah.
We're supposed to increase a bit, but I mean, like 1 knot, not.
Yeah. Well, we're pretty much rails in the water now. So.
Yeah.
Seven knots.
Woo!
Still very windy.
Yes, there's one. No, there's 2. There's actually 3. 1.
3 sailboats?
Yeah, 3 down there. I thought it was just the one. I was going to call the low close call, but no, there's 3.
Well, I can see the bottom down here, so that's not very deep.
Yeah, the rest of us got cold and said, okay, that was fun. Let's go in and get warm.
Yep.